Hello, this is an update on my railway in the attic. Put some insulation up. This end of the loft is a bit messy at the moment. Just figuring out how it's going to all fit in. The railway used to be 19 feet, and now I can get another 3 foot 3 inches in between the end of the gable and this where this board ends, so that's makes the layout a little bit longer. Not sure what I'm going to do around here. Moment. Railway goes round there. Still got the insulation to finish. It's a shame about this chimney in the way, because it would have been a nice oval, but I'm not sure if to put a helix in this area here. Put the fiddly yard underneath, because at the moment it's a bit cluttered, but there's plenty of room. Anyway, feel free to comment. Also, one thing I did consider is just here is to put a double junction, or even off these tracks, run it across a bridge somewhere around here, and connect it here. So there you go. I'll update some more pictures on the video of the progress. There is one section of the layout which isn't here. I've got it in storage and I need to go and get it. It goes on the end of on the end board, bolts to it, but I'm going to have to make a new board to fill the gap. Anyway, thanks very much. Bye for now.